Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Almsby the Information Hub channel. So, how are you guys? So, for today guys, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mag-process ng offboarding process sa Lalamove. So, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-delete ng account kung ayaw mo na maging business partner sa Lalamove. So, kailangan mo, kung ayaw mo na maging business partner sa kanila, so para makuha mo yung cash ban mo doon sa kanila, so you really have to go through the offboarding process application. So ang first requirement talaga nila guys, alamin mo yung driver ID member, kasi meron pala tayo nun. So kung alam mo na yung driver ID member mo, so there's no need for you to go to their office. But if you don't, so you really have to go. So kung saan kang merong office diyan malapit sa inyo, so doon ka pupunta. Kung saan ka nagpadikit ng sticker, doon ka pumunta. So mag-ask ka doon ng driver ID member kasi kailangan siya. So after that guys, punta ka sa driver app. Doon sa profile mo like this, i-click mo yung profile mo. Then, yung may picture guys. Then, after that, tingnan mo sa bottom part, meron siyang, like this, meron siyang delete account. I-press mo lang yun. So, after mo ma-press yung delete account, may mag-pop up doon na question, why you are going to delete your account. So, ikaw na bahala kung anong gusto mong i-reason out. So yan guys. After that, ma-submit mo. Punta ka sa Google Chrome. I-type in mo sa browser ang bit.ly/offboarding Gcash. This one guys. Follow mo yan. Yan lang siya. So, lahat ng information, may lalabas dyan, may pop-up dyan na KYC. So, lahat ng information, i-supply mo lang, i-provide mo. Then, do not forget to input your driver ID member. Hindi, yung driver ID member, hindi yung sa license mo. Yun ang binigay ng Lalamove sa'yo. Yung ID mo talaga, hindi yung driver's license mo. Okay, so after that, fill out those application form. Tapos, be ready for your Gcash, ano ba yun? Gcash nga page, Gcash na profile mo, screenshot mo doon. Yung may nakita yung name at saka address at saka yung tuturuan ka dyan guys. Mayroon sa process, tuturuan ka. Tapos, i-upload mo, then ID mo. Kailangan din. Then, para sa process ng deletion. So, take note lang guys, ang processing nila sa pagsauli ng pera sa inyo, yung refund ng cash ban is 1 month. So, 1 month daw. At ipapasok doon sa Gcash mo. So, yan lang siya guys, kasimple. So, that's all for this video guys. And I hope you have learned from this video. And hope to see you on my next video na tutorial. So that's all, and thank you very much.